In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and insert an image in a cell in Google Sheets. This process is simple, yet incredibly useful for visually enhancing your spreadsheets. Whether you're adding logos, icons, or any other type of image, this feature can greatly improve the way you present your data. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to achieve this. To start, open your Google Sheets document where you'd like to add the image. Once you're in your document, take a moment to identify the specific cell where you want your image to be placed. Click on this cell to select it. This will ensure that the image is inserted exactly where you want it to go. Now that you've selected the cell, look towards the top menu options of your Google Sheets interface. Click on the Insert option. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for inserting different types of content. From this menu, you'll want to choose Image. As you hover over the Image option, you'll see a secondary menu pop up. Here, select the option labeled Image in Cell. This is an important step because it ensures that the image is inserted directly into the cell itself, rather than floating over the sheet. With the Image in Cell option selected, you will now see a dialog box appear on your screen. This box will give you the option to upload an image from your computer. If you've already prepared the image you'd like to use, simply drag and drop it into the upload box within this dialog window. Alternatively, you can click on the upload box to open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to and select the image file from your computer. After you've uploaded the image, Google Sheets will automatically place it into the selected cell. However, you may notice that the image might not be displaying as intended initially. This can happen if the default size of the cell isn't suitable for the image dimensions. To fix this, you may need to adjust the row height and column width. Simply click and drag the borders of the row and column headers to adjust their size until the image fits neatly within the cell. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into a cell in Google Sheets. This simple technique can make a big difference in how your data is represented, allowing you to include visual elements that complement your information. If you find the image isn't fitting just right, don't hesitate to continue adjusting the cell dimensions until it looks perfect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you learn how to make your spreadsheets more visually appealing.